Hey, it's Dr. Darren Hubert. Today we're going to talk a little bit about hair restoration using the NeoGraft technique. The NeoGraft is FDA approved, and the way it works is there's an automated handheld device that actually extracts each little hair follicle, and they're taken from the back of the hair and collected, and then they're placed wherever we need them, typically on, obviously on the top of the head. You don't have the straight line scar that's a telltale sign of anybody who's had a hair transplant from the old strip method. And there's less downtime and less pain, and the graft survival, which means how many of those transplanted hairs are actually going to survive and take and be fully alive, normal hairs on the top of your head, is going to be higher with this than with the old techniques. So the procedure is done in a day. It can be maybe 4 to 8 hours depending on how many grafts are being transplanted. The procedure involves local anesthesia. The pain tends to be pretty minimal. It's very well tolerated. Patients may take some pain medicine. It tends to be pretty minimal. After that, you have about a week of maybe some scabs where the hair is taken from or where you're placing it to. Hairs go through a growth cycle, and so once you transplant them, it takes a couple of weeks, maybe 2 to 4 weeks, and all of those hairs are going to die and fall out, but the follicle is still there, and then the new hairs are going to start to grow in and replace those. You'll see continued improvement over quite a period. By about 9 to 12 months, you see the full effect of the hair restoration procedure. Recovery is not too bad at all. It is very well tolerated. The day after the procedure, you can go to work. There will be little pinpoint bleeding or scabbing, which lasts for about a week or so. For about 2 weeks, you have to take it easy. You don't want to be doing anything strenuous, nothing where you're going to raise your blood pressure or do significant sweating. But about 2 weeks, you can be back to all those vigorous exercises.